Hello everyone, this is Miss Noor again. We're here today with another math video. In this video we're going to explain lesson 6. It's chapter 6, lesson 6. Add 3-digit numbers. It's on page 383. Let's see what we have in this lesson. We talked before in the last video in math, we talked about adding 3 numbers, and we said we do 3 steps, adding the ones, and then adding the tens, and then adding the hundreds. I add the ones, and if I have to regroup, if I have a new 10, I add it with the tens. And then I add the tens, and if I have a new 100, if I have 10 tens, which make a new 100, I put it with the hundreds. Okay, let's see here, for example, here in this lesson, add 3 digit numbers. Step 1, add the ones and regroup. 2 plus 8 equal, that's right, it equals 10. That means I have a new 10 here, 0 in the ones, and the 1 and the new 10 here, the 110 I have, I put it with the ones. Now step number 2, we add what? Add the tens, and also we will regroup. 1 plus 8 equal, that's right, equals 9, and 9 plus 6 equal 15. Good job, 15. The 15 is what? Again, it's 5 and 5 tens and 10 tens. The 10 tens makes a 100. So we put the 5 with the tens and the 100. That's right. We put it here or here? With the hundreds, of course. We put it with the hundreds. So here I have a 100, a new 100 here. 1 plus 5 equal 6, and 6 plus 2 equal 8. That's right. So the sum I have is 850. 850. Good job, guys. Now let's move to these ones. Let's do them by ourselves. Here. Use a work mat 7 and paste 10 blocks add. Let's add. We start with number 1. Of course, in number 1 here, we will in the ones, we will add the ones here. 7 plus 4 equal. Good job. 7 plus 4 equal 11. The 11 is, it's a 1 and a 10. We put the 1 here, and here we put the 110 I have with the tens. 1 plus 5 equal 6, and 6 plus 5 equal 11. Another 11. So this time the 11 I have, it's not 11 ones. It's not a 1 and a 10. It's 11 tens. It's a 10 and 100. 11 tens. 10 tens and the 110. So we will put the 110 in here, and the 10 tens we made, they make a 100. So now I have a 100. 100 plus 300 equal 4. That's right. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Good job. So the sum I have right now is 811. Good job. Let's go to number 2. Here in the ones, start with the ones. Step number 1. 1 plus 9 equal 10. We put the 0 here. We have nothing in the ones, and I have a new 10 here. It's a new 1 here. We will put it with the tens. It's a new 10. We put it with the tens. 1 plus 6 equal, good job, equal 7. 7 plus 6 equal 13. That's right. Now the 13 I have, is it 13 ones or 13 tens? Good job, 13 tens. That means I have 3 tens and 10 tens. And the 10 tens will make what? a 100. Good job. So I have here, we put the 3 tens in here, and the 10 tens will make 100. 100 plus 2 equal 3. 100 plus 200 equal 3. So the sum I have 330. 330. Let's go to number 3. Here we have the ones first. 8 plus 9. If it's very hard for you, just remember 9 plus 9 equal 18. That means that 8 plus 9 equal, that's right, take 1. It's 17. So now I have 17. Okay, here I have 17. The 7, of course, will go with the ones, and the 1 and the 10, the new 10 with the tens. Here, 10, 1 10 plus 1 10 equal 2 tens, and 9 equal 11 tens. So here I put the 11 again. 11 tens means I have 1 10 and 10 tens. I put the 1 10 with the tens, but the 10 tens will make me a 100, a new 100. So we put it with the hundreds. 100 plus 100 equal 2 plus 1 equal 300. So the sum I have now is 317. Good job, guys. Now let's go to number 4. 3 plus 7, easy. This one is 10. Put the 0 in here and the new 10 with the tens. Now 1 plus 2 equal 3 tens. 3 tens plus 8 tens equal also 11 tens. Here the 11 tens means I have 1 10 and 10 tens. They make a 100. 100 plus 5 hundreds equal 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. Good job. So the sum I have right now, it's 810. 810. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Let's move to the next page. It's page 385. Here in the independent practice, you should be doing this practice by yourself, but we can do some of it together, and you can complete the rest of it by yourselves, okay? Now here we have 800, sorry, the number you have here, 458 plus 66. So we have only hundreds in this number. The other number, we don't have hundreds, okay? Now 8 plus 6 equal, that's right, 8 plus 6 equal 14, and the 14 is 4 ones and 1 10. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 6 plus 6 equal, good job, equal 12. Now the 12 is what? It's 2 tens and 10 tens, and the 10 will make 100 in here. 100 plus 4 equal 5. So now the number, the sum I have is 524. Good job. Now let's go. We started with number 7. I'm sorry. We can, it's fine. Can do here. Go back again to number 6. Now 0 plus 5 will equal, that's right, equal 5. Now, do I have to regroup in here? No, it's just 0 plus 5 equal 5. I don't have new tens or something. I don't have to regroup. Now here, 2 plus 9 equal 11. 11, that means I made a new 100. So 11 means I have 1 10 and 10 tens, which make me a 100, a new 100. 1 plus 7 equal 8. 8 plus 1 equal 9. So the sum I have is 915. Good job. Now let's go to number 5. Here, 6 plus 7. First of all, the number I have is 166 and plus 147. Here, start with the ones. 6 plus 7 equal. Good job, equal 13. So we're going to put the 3 in here and the new 10 I made with the tens. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 4 equal. Good job, 11. Can I write the 11, all of the 11 in here like this? No, this is wrong. So, I'm going to delete this one because I put only the tens in here. I have 11 tens. I put only one 10 in here. It means 10 and 10 tens, which make a 100. So, the 100 go in here. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 300. So, the number I have is 313. Let's go to number 8 in here. Here I have the first number is 34. Just 34 plus 550. It's fine. Just we said before, we know that in addition, it's fine to add the small number first or the big number first. It's fine. Both of them are fine. I can start with whatever number. Only addition. The subtraction is different. Okay. Now here, 4 plus 5 equal, good job, equal 9. Here, 3 plus 1 equal, good job, 4. Now I have something here to add with the hundreds in here. I have 5. I don't have any numbers here, so it's gonna be 5. So the sum I have is 549. Good job, guys. Let's go to number 9. 2 plus 9 equal, good job, 11. I put the ones in here and the new 10 with the tens. 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 plus 9, good job, equal 13. So I'm going to put the 3 tens in here and the 10 tens and the 10 tens, they will make a new 100. I will have to regroup and make a new 100 and I will put it with the hundreds. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equal, that's right, equal 9. So the sum I have is 931. The last one I'm going to do with you, and you have to complete the rest of them by yourselves. Here, 7 plus 7 equal, good job, 7 plus 7 equal 14. 4 with the ones and the 10 with the tens. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. I'm sorry about the writing, but because I'm using the mouse. Now, it's equal 5. Now I have 3 plus 1 equal 4. That's it. Focus, guys. We only regroup and make a new 100 if I have more than 9. If I have 10 and more, that's when I regroup. If it's in the ones, that means I will regroup and I make a new 10. If it's in the tens, that means I will regroup and I make a new 100. But if I didn't pass 9, if I didn't go to 10 and after 10, then I don't have to regroup. I don't add any numbers in here. Okay, this is the end of our video for this lesson. I hope you can understand everything in this video. I want you to do the rest of the sheet by yourselves, and please, if you can, take a photo for your answers and send it to me so I can correct it for you. Okay? But you know what? We can go to this part in this video in our book. Finish this one, and then we over our video. It's fine. One day, Keith skipped 145 rocks over the river. The next day, he skipped 165 rocks. How many rocks did he skip all together? And of course, we know that the word all together means what? It means that I want the whole number, and the whole number means I will have to, that's right, I will have to add. Now I want all the numbers together. Let's read again. One day Keith skipped 145 rocks over the river. The next day he skipped how many? 165 rocks. Now I want to know how many rocks did he skip all together? Means all of the rocks. So that means I will have to add. Let's add in here. Add the two numbers I have of the rocks. 145 plus 165. The ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, the hundreds with the hundreds. And this is plus. Okay. Let's choose another color for the answers. Here. 5 plus 5 equal. Good job, equal 10. Here is 0 and 1, 10. 1 plus 4 equal 5. 5 plus 6. Good job. 11. That means I put the 10 with the tens, and I go put the 100 I have with the hundreds. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 and 1 equal 3 here. So the sum I have is 310. So how many rocks do we have? How many rocks did he skip all together? 310. Good job. Okay. Now I want you to do this one by yourselves. Read it and do it by yourselves. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.